Hi, I'm Dr. Meghna. I'm a consultant obstetrician and gynecologist in Columbia, Asia, Whitefield.
Hello, doctor. Can you please tell us about this coronavirus?
Today, I'm here to talk about coronavirus in pregnancy. This is a very scary and stressful situation for everyone, and it's only natural for pregnant women to feel anxious about the coronavirus and its implications in pregnancy. First of all, what is COVID 19? COVID 19 or novel coronavirus disease is a disease caused by newly detected coronavirus in China in 2019 end, and it is now causing a pandemic affecting most countries globally. The origin of the pandemic was in Wuhan district in China. Viruses are very small particles, thousands of times smaller than bacteria. The structure of coronavirus is similar to a crown, and so the name. The RNA of the novel coronavirus is different from the other coronaviruses. Now, let me tell how it spreads. The spread of coronavirus usually happens through either droplets or fomites. Droplets are small particles which are expelled from the mouth or nose of a person when a person suffering from COVID 19 either speaks, sneezes, or coughs. And it is required to have close vicinity with a person because the droplets are heavy and they cannot spread far. 1 to 2 meters distance is roughly what is estimated that the coronavirus droplets spread. These droplets can drop on objects, and these objects can act as fomites in the transmission, where if a person touches those objects and touches their eyes, nose, or mouth, it can spread. Now, research is fast changing and we are on a steep learning curve, but it is believed to stay roughly 24 hours on a cardboard and around 72 hours on stainless steel or plastics. The incubation period of coronavirus is between 2 to 14 days, but it is typically around 5 days. Now, what are the symptoms one has to look for? The classic symptoms are fever, cough, either shortness of breath or breathlessness, but you can have other symptoms like diarrhea, like loss of sense of smell and taste, and body pains. Majority of COVID-19 disease is very mild, and majority of those patients recover. It is a long road, but they recover.
Okay, doctor, are pregnant women prone for this disease?
We are getting plenty of questions from pregnant women and their anxious families about pregnancy, childbirth, and breastfeeding. Here, I want to reiterate what we know is from published scientific reports, and it seems very reassuring. Coronavirus is not different when it comes to pregnant women. Pregnant women don't seem to be more prone to the infection, and they don't seem to have a more severe disease when it is compared to general population. This is fantastic news. It is in contrast to other illnesses where respiratory viruses like influenza can cause very severe illness in pregnancy.
Doctor, what about antenatal checkup?
Yeah, please continue your antenatal checkups as advised to do. We might call you in for a fewer direct checkups. We are taking all precautions to reduce the exposure by calling for fewer direct checkups and teleconsultations in between, provided you will monitor your blood pressure at home and watch baby movements as advised. And we here at Columbia Asia follow rigorous infection control protocols. So you don't need to be worried about it. We have a dedicated team which screens everyone at the entry of the hospital, and those who demonstrate symptoms or signs of COVID 19 are moved to a dedicated place in the hospital to diagnose and treat. So it is perfectly safe for you to come to your routine checkups and deliver here. You don't need to be worried that you will get the disease from others in the hospital. Now, we find one of everyone asking a common question: do I pass on the disease to the baby while in the womb itself? Now, this is a called vertical transmission. By studies conducted on placenta, cord blood, amniotic fluid, and nasal swabs of newborn, it has been proven that it does not go vertically from you to the baby while in the womb.
Doctor, what if a pregnant woman presents with symptoms of corona disease?
Okay, if you have any above mentioned symptoms like fever, cough, breathlessness, feel free to contact us. We will tell you what to do further. If the symptoms are very mild, we'll ask you to stay at home and observe. It might be just a common cold. If your symptoms are bad, or if you have come in contact with a person who is really sick, then we might call you to the hospital for testing. The testing is done by a swab taken from the nasopharynx, and you will be given supportive care until the test reports are available in a designated area in the hospital. Most of the tests read out to be negative, but if the test reads positive, also the supportive care continues and you and the baby will be monitored very closely. If you test to be positive, most of the disease in pregnancy is very mild. There is a slight increased risk of miscarriage that is not due to the coronavirus per se, but it is due to the fever caused by coronavirus. And there is slight increase in chances of preterm birth, and again it is not very high. Now, coming to childbirth, you don't need to be worried about childbirth because either you test negative or positive. You, the nurses, the doctors, everyone are in full PPE, so you cannot give virus to the baby. And we have a strict no visitor policy until the pandemic subsides, so you are safe. Next common question which we face is, can I breastfeed my child when I have COVID-19? Breast milk is supposed to be free of coronavirus, but while the mother is breastfeeding the child, you can pass on the virus from you to the baby. So it is always better that you express the breast milk, give it to a caregiver, and the caregiver feeds the baby the expressed milk. I know it's a difficult decision on this joyous occasion to separate the baby and the mother, but that is what is good for the baby. And if the mother wishes to directly breastfeed the baby, then obviously babies cannot wear masks, so mother has to wear mask and gloves and frequently wash their hands. But there is risk of your baby getting it if you have corona, if you directly wish to breastfeed.
Doctor, what are the precautions to be taken if a woman is pregnant?
Okay, here I want to tell you all that pregnant women need not take special precautions. It is like anyone else. First thing, you will have to practice strict social distancing like everyone else. That is, maintain a 1 to 2 meter gap between you and the other person. Second thing, try and wear a mask every time you step out of home. Wear the mask properly. Do not touch the outside part of the mask, and cover your nose and mouth properly. Don't pull down your mask while you're outside. Keep on washing your hands often, probably for a 20-second period with soap and water, or you can use an alcohol-based sanitizer. Avoid touching your face. Avoid crowded places, public gatherings. Avoid travel, and watch your baby movements very strictly, and if you feel there is any problem, you can always feel free to contact us. You ask your guests who are supposed to visit you after childbirth to wait till this pandemic subsides. Try and minimize the guests in your baby showers, cradle functions. If you have any problem through this pandemic, you can feel free to contact us. We are always here, there for you. Stay safe.